Hi everyone. This day we will be discuss it's all about relaxation and recreation. Section 17, Chapter 79-80. Recreation is essential. Recreation is anything you do in leisure time. Leisure time is defined as time spent away from all the essential things in your life, like work or the necessary socializing. Sa recreation daw, dito natin napapahinga ang ating katawan, like sa pagbasa ng libro, pag-iihersisyo, at iba pa. Bakit importante ang recreation sa buhay natin? The first one is, recreation resets your mind. Like for example, sa pag-uwi mo galing work or doing a difficult shift work can leave you exhausted. Sa pagkakaroon ng recreation activity, lahat ng pagod at hirap mo ay mawawala. The second is, recreation is good for the body, which is, some of recreation can also be physical activities katulad ng pagtakbo, stretching to gym, or stay at home, or do yoga. All those activities are beneficiary to your health, to refresh the spirits and invigorate your body. As a Christians, we also do recreation, like going to church every Sunday to seek or easy forgiveness to God. Recreation is essential best work. When you are doing such activities, recreation of your mental and physical being, you're energized. Student need relaxation. As a student with loaded up school works should also have a relaxation so that mind and body will circulate and flow accordingly. Office workers who needed days to recreation. We all know a lot of workers in office are tired and stressed. It's because many paperworks or an urgent task to be finished immediately. They need also a recreation to exhale stress and toxic people. Seek means for innocent. This is to exhale negativity and inhale positivity. Chapter 80. What shall we play? Parents, teachers, and guardians should be the foundation of the child moral. Parents and guardians are the ones that mold the child characteristics. The useful place of the gymnasium, gymnasium is a place where students recreate themselves. All activities done gymnasium. However, a good gymnasium can create a better opportunity to students for recreation. Games with a ball basic. Playing with a ball is a form of exercise. The problem of many athletic sports is there are a lot of problems because finance their athlete to ensure them good condition. When life less complex. In early age with the people who were under God's direction, life was simple, which is, sa una daw, it's simple lang ang pamumuhay ng mga tao. And always sila nag-aampo sa Ginoo kauban sa ilang pamilya. Ug ang both parents should be guided to their children. And that's all. Thank you.